Hey, we're gonna take a look at a Frigidaire I just got, and let's take a look at it. So let's see. Here's the box that it came with. Two-door. It's pretty small. You could fit in a SUV. So that's why we got it, and it's pretty portable. Let's see. Here's the code. It's a EFR 780-6COM. So yeah, here's the instruction books. This was inside the bottom drawer. So yeah. Let's see. Let's take a look at what it comes with. Comes with, looks like, not sure what this one is. Comes with a ice maker, ice container, ice scraper for the freezer because there's not a dehumidifier or ice froster in there or something. And then here's the instructions. Troubleshooting. You guys want to look through that? Troubleshooting. Okay, so it is. If you did tilt it or anything, don't use it for a while. Maybe 24 hours or 2 hours. So here's more instructions, safety. Let's see how to open this. More stuff about the refrigerator. Yeah, ice scraper, crisper. What's this? Crisper 07. Warnings. Do not block any ventilation. Minimum 5 inches of space around backside and the sides of the refrigerator. So I didn't know this. This refrigerator, the heat comes from the sides. So and then it makes it cold. Inside's cold. Okay, let's see. I'll have a reading with you guys after this. Installation. And then it says when you turn it on, set it to 5 to max it out or something. I'm not sure why. It says set it to 5 and then 2 hours later, then change it or something. It's in there. So you need to defrost this thing every 3 months, which is oh great. You have to set it to 0 and then remove the ice and then put it back in, which is what? It's that cheap. It's like, okay, cool. We got this for like 160. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Instruction care. Go to tour after this. Operating the fridge. Sorry, something's wrong with my light. Yeah, it looks like, see, looks like those are the cooling elements or heating elements. So it takes the cold out and put it outside for heat. And then this thing uses 80 watts of power when consuming the compressor. So yeah, so and then that's it. 1 year warranty. Yep, that's it. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so here's the energy guide, $45, so a little expensive. Here's the top. Comes with some metal breakers. So okay, let's see. Here's a thermometer. So right there is 60, 70. And then over here, look at that. The heater is right there. So you can't put anything 5 inches away from here, and then you need 5 inches of back in the back, and then the cooler is in the back bottom. Let's see if I can show you it. So yeah, and then on the top, let's see, there's 70, there's 72 for some reason, that one's, and that's 60, there's 65 over there in that corner, and 70 right here. For some reason, like over here on the top, it's a little warm. Over here is cold. Here is cold. Here's colder. And then on the back, on the other side, look at that. The heating element, or pulls the heat to let the heat out, is right there. So yeah, if you want to go all the way in the back, 70 right here, 60. Then right here, look at that. Right now it's been maybe 10 hours on max 5. So let's see how cold it is inside. Negative 32. Negative 20. Enough to freeze. And then negative 9. This is a pretty 3-layer. Then door. So yeah, see, so it's just a giant box with nothing else, and you have to scrape ice. Looks like ice is, water is already developing, or frosting in there. And then here's the inside. And the inside at number 5 is 20s. I just barely put the cans in there to show you how many cans could fit. So yeah, there's a light, there's a setting, it's set at 5. And then the light, it looks like, look, snow is, ice already is developing in there. It's like that was fast. You have to defrost this. So trying not to have anything spill or anything, I don't know how this works. And then there's an egg tray right there. There's some movable, these are not movable. Looks like you gotta stay there, there. Like, I mean, you could take it out, but you can't adjust it to lower this. Yeah, it looks like that stays there. This one stays there. These plastics are like, this one's pretty. Look at that. It's questionable. Let's see. There's all the bottom one. Carton over there. This doesn't even fit there. I can't even get this bottle. Like, it's pretty big though. It's a lot longer than that. So yeah, the cans, 4 in. It looks like, I don't even know if the pizza box will fit in this. So that's what we're really getting at. Because I wanted one for a pizza box. So there it is. What is that? 6 cans. So yeah, this won't fit. Milk jug, you're gonna have to take this out or raise it. Yeah, I think you could raise this and then put the milk jug right there. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna turn this down. You should take off the tapes after. Change it to 3. Because that's recommended. And yeah, that is it. 2 handles, so you could adjust this, move it to the other side if you want. You just have to take this off. Yep, unbolt those, unbolt this. And then you could switch it to the other side. So yeah, it is let's see, let's find the cable. Cable is a 3-prong on ours. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys.